Okay, so hi guys, today we're making another video and I'm showing what's my new squishies that I didn't post and I forgot. 3, 2, 1. The needle that has charms inside for sure. And I don't know how to read this, but it's a bag. It's a blue bag and a pink bag, but this one is only for me and this one. These two are for me. And I don't know why I bought it. And now it's time to open it. First of all, this one. I like the blue one because it's so glittery, and this one, the pink one. The pink one is most my favorite. And this one is actually a broken needle that scammed me. And I don't know why I literally bought it. Like guys, the gel is like going out. Just keep
6 to 7 lang naman yung Zumba niya. 6 to 7, diretso na daw.
See that white tangy? And it's literally so fluorized. That's why I like it. So I'm actually gonna rate it 2. I think I'll give this what should I give this? I'll rate this for sure 8 out of 10 because there's like a hole right there. Like that's where the gel comes out. And when I touch the gel, bro, all of the gel is so sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky, guys. And that's why my and that's why my problem is because the needle is broken. And I don't like my squishy getting broke. So I'll give this an 8 out of 10, like for real. Okay, and these 2 bags, what if we just open them both and I'll rate them both? Oh my god! Guys, this is actually this is not worth it. Bro, you know how much it is? Dollars. 175 $180 for that. So that's $200. And actually so hard. Open here. And this one is like so stretchy and wiggly. So stretchy. And now let's put out the other one. Bro, I don't know why is this needle broken, but I just opened it. They're like the same thing because they're both bags.
Sabi ka? Yung sa banyo, lakas talaga ng tulo.
It's so stretchy, guys. I'll both rate I rate this a 10 out of 10, and this one a 10 out of 10 too because they're actually pretty fluorizing. So glittery.
May trabaho siya eh.
Look, guys.
Kung pupunta siya ng gabi, madilim na. Kawawa naman.
And this one is
Pero yung dito, wala nang tulo.
oh my gosh. Guys, this is all the squishies I have that I did not post, but I did never. And I do have more. The ones I showed in my shorts that you already saw.
Buti pa ito maraming subscriber eh. Ha? Daming subscriber niyan.
That
Sa bawat video niyan. Account ko yan eh.
that
Hindi naman niya personal yan.
I got 20 subscribers. And ouch. And now even if I show it on my videos, they're like 4 dumplings. I do have 4 dumplings that I post, but I have to rate them. You better be nice on my squishies.
Hindi sila nakalaba. O ikaw naglaba doon. Kaila ate. Yung isa.
Pakialaman yung washi.
Hindi ka marunong.
Marunong ako, pero ayaw kong pakialaman.
Niwala.
Guys, I actually have 3 squishies. The 4th one is at my house.
May mga program.
And it's broken. The one I took the
Mabilis
marble
nga
out.
lang yun. Hahanguin na
Okay,
lang.
this one I actually like it
Pero
the
yung
most.
kay Ate Liza, may
Because
ano
it's the
yun,
glitter.
May dryer.
Oo.
And guys,
Pwede
it's
niya
so
ano yun,
fancy. It's like a DIY clicker.
Medyo to.
Guys, I actually rate this a 20 out of 10.
Alam na yung kay
Just kidding. I rated it 10 out of 10. Because I like all my squishies. I never liked my squishies. Like I never said I didn't like my squishies. This squishy is actually about to break, but this is my only glitter, so I don't let it break when I squish it very hard. Okay. And this is the next one, the giant. Bro, this is actually like a clicker too. And look how much gel is in here.
Yung 60%, grabe. Kahit sa loob
She
mo
just
ng
farts
isang
out of no
palit,
reason, bro.
pigang-pigana yun.
Bro farts out of no reason, then bro will have a pimple.
Hindi sila eh. Hindi sila nakatulog.
Look how many gel is.
Parang siyang lumulong.
Did you just fart on my face?
Kaya ginagawa ko yung sa pain. Baba ko yun. Doon ako.
Guys, it's broken.
Kasi
Aray,
pag
isa pa?
ganito.
Oo, totoo nga.
Binigay sa amin. Eh, ito okay yun.
Oh my god.
Kay mama niya, kay ano yan. Kay...
Bakit siya pinamigay? Kung wala
I'll rate this a 9.9 out of 10.
na plug pa. Ayun,
This one is my most first. I'll give this a 1 out of 10.
na. Kaya ginagawa
For sure,
ko,
already know how I hate it.
wala
Bro, guys, I literally have a mushroom squishy. And this is how my mushroom squishy looks like. This, stay there.
dami ng down.
And this down part does not squish because it's very hard.
Saan nakaschedule mo na sa
Oh
barangay?
my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
bukas pa lang.
And I like this so much.
Bukas.
You know, like how
Hindi,
much
kailangan ng letter eh.
it cost
May
me, the
isasubmit
total?
sa kanila.
$10,000 for all the total that I found.
3-3 natin.
Hmm.
Nag-request tayo nun eh. Kasi kasuhin ko nga.
Okay, guys, so let's put it back at the cap. And let's all squish it.
Yung sa alulod ng
We're gonna squish all of it.
Kasi sa mga asawa ko, schedule mo na lang.
There.
Libre naman.
This is my newest one. 2 new ones. Are you kidding me? 2 new ones. And the third one.
Kasi yung bubong niyan, tito, bago yan.
I forgot.
Di ba pinalitan niyo?
This is my most favorite needle ever.
Hindi naman
Even
natin
if it's
kailangan
broken.
ano eh, dapat may busa yung mga
Guys, when I went home, it's the only one I find out it was broken.
Ay, puro dahon yung ano nung ano.
pag inaway mo,
Masama ka.
Wow.
sinabi,
And look when I try hitting it. It's so hard. My hands are hurting. This one is so
Okay
cute.
naman may puno eh. Kaya lang kung makakaabala ka. Di ba? Ang kapitbahay. Di dapat.
Guys, I decided to release the air of this, so I felt bad for the air. I felt bad it was gonna break. So instead of breaking it, the one I removed is this one. It's more softer. And the gel almost came out, and I was like freaking out, like I was like yapping about what happened.
Nakotse.
So I surgeried it a little bit, and it's now okay.
Ayan.
My most first squishy. No, guys, it's gonna take a little peek on me, okay?
Sabihin mo naman.
Greenie, are you gonna really take a little peek?
Ano bumaksak.
Guys, look. You need to show him your man.
Baka inaanay na rin.
Like it.
ano, yung nakausling
Baka
niya.
inaanay na rin.
Bakit? Kung mabagsak yan, ba masisira yung kotse?
Hindi, ito
Bakit?
kasi, oh, yan nakapag.
Hindi, oo nga. Ganong kalaki, ganong kabigat yan. Hindi siya makapagsabi ng diretso, palihasa.
I like it.
Mga bidakol mo nga,
Guys, what if it
Dami na naman nga yun.
Guys, I decided to cut it open to put the gel in my hair, but when my mom saw
Itong bubong ng
she
tito,
got
makakakita
very
naman yun.
mad.
Hindi pa yan marupok.
I got really scared.
Ang marupok itong jeans.
So I couldn't, and she took this away like for a year.
Sabi niya sa gitna.
And not this. Ah!
Sa gitna. daw. Pero niren
This one is literally my most favorite because of the gel.
sa loob.
Tatanungin niya kasi sa
That
akin
is
kung
really
ano
my
po yan.
favorite.
Sige, mag-aamon.
Because of the gel, I like it so
Sabi
much.
niya sa akin, "Saan hindi mo ginawa yun?"
I thought I would get a glitter one because
Last year.
I did have a
Napalitan
glitter.
niyo yan. Bakit dito? Sabi niya.
Oh my gosh, my
Kasi
hair!
sabi ni-
Some of my hair gets stuck on it.
Yung tisoy.
Why did I throw it? Guys, this is actually a needle bag. Why do they keep on running away, bro?
niya.
Yung ano,
Get away, get away.
yung-
Fast!
Ito lahat ng bubong may
May sira.
It's like a Hello Kitty bag because there's like something right there that I felt. And it's like the Hello Kitty one.
Tapos naman problema pa rin, no? 40K din na gastos mo dyan.
There, that one. That one. If you guys don't see it, that means your eyes are blurry. I'm not being mean. I'm just telling you your eyes might be blurry. And this one has the same one. Bro, this could be my shopping bag. Then and then. Then and then. Bro, they will say if it's really a bag. Then I'll say it's a bag. Then they're starting to buy it. Then when they check, huh? It's a Nia. Then
sa ano naman, dyan naman sa
and guys,
saan natin gusto.
Akin.
can I buy another squishy?
Baka rin kasi umulan.
Can I buy a squishy?
No.
Hoy,
Squishy na naman. Next week
squishing ko yung
naman.
mukha mo. Dalawa naman yung squishy mo.
Ayun.
There's like charms inside. Look at the charm. All of the charms are a shelf.
Sabi mo,
And a fish.
hindi siya tinignan.
Hindi lang nakatingin ka rin.
Guys, if you don't really sleep at night, I will steal your squishies. My butter squishies at my house, so I think I can show it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, let's go fix everything. First of all, my favorite nosebleed. Guys, while fixing it, I'll just become mute. So you can't really hear me. There, I'm mute.
Tingin. Ayaw pa nga niya kumilos eh.
Bakit Roxanne laging skinny? Ba't ayaw mo siya ng mga...
Guys, did you understand what I said?
Bago kung na
Comment below or like.
Yung taong na...
Okay, I'll off again.
Na parang.
Oo, bakit puro ganyan? Yung parang maluwag.
Yeah.
Baka kasi sa online may
Guys, did you actually did understand it?
Hindi ko natambok mo.
Oo nga eh, hindi na ganun kakulat, no? Hindi gaya noon.
Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, good. You can hear me because I put it on again.
Sana, ikaw nga lagi ka nakakapinsa.
Okay, dear.
Mga daw.
I have to off it.
Na bulok ng bubong namin dahil sa mga punyetang dao na yun. Yung ito.
Oh.
Yung talaga mga tao. Bilib ako talaga sa mga tao. Ang ina talaga. Hindi ka magtitimpi. Nagtitimpi ka.
Pag hindi ka nagtimpid, mapaaway ka.
It worked!
Pero hindi
Thought I was
naman
mute
sila
forever.
nilabas ko para awayin.
I literally just threw the bag.
Marami at busy ako.
Bruh. I would never mute again.
Ang dami mo.
Oh, yung nakaka-irrite.
Ay, yan apat.
Para pag-aksayahan ko man ng panahon, wala na akong panahon, busy ako.
Ay, okay. Winig ba yun?
Ayun,
Kasi yung bagay ko sa video. Sa video.
Kasi that's not allowed eh. That's not allowed.
Kaya ako, Diyos ko, bawat oras ng araw ko, importante.
Guys, don't mind about that bad words.
Kakaisip.
Yeah, it's ate.
Dun, 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 dun,
Hindi mo kay Ambo. Sinuli.
Bro,
Ayun.
Buka mo. Kahit bahay ko ba ito?
Kasi sa akin ito.
Ako si Ambo. Hindi matama ba? Mabuting tao. Sama-sama ka. Mag-music kayo.
Ang dami nang sinabi.
I know.
I'll get banned in YouTube.
Ah, ganun. Because of me? Pwede ikaw na.
Hindi naman siguro winig yun.
Bad words aren't allowed.
Mangilad ka. Mangilad ka. Talaga mangilad ka. Tama na ugali. Hindi ko makalimutan, binuhusan ko talaga ng tubig yan.
Oo. Nagsisiga siya.
Yan yung napakasalbahong tao. Hindi ako pumapatol sa matanda. Ngayon lang, ngayon.
Bata-bata pa siya na
Ang
eh.
ina nyo, eto tubig. Binuhusan ko sila ng tubig.
Ito, tubig, maligo kayo.
Iligo kayo, iligo nyo na lang yung masama nyo ugali. Ang ina nyo. Sabi ni Daniel,
Tama na.
inaawat niya ako.
Oo, Emi, tama na.
Hindi, sabi ko kanya hindi.
Bata pa ka nun eh.
Bata pa siya na, hindi. Ang ilan to mga to, sobra na to eh.
Yung payat-payat niya, inaawat ka niya.
Okay,
Eh, tama
so
na.
guys, I'm about to...
Hindi, ina.
Sino?
Maganda naman yung binuhusan ko ng tubig naman.
Uy, nakita niyo yung picture na icon.
Hindi eh.
Sabi niya, hindi. Bibigyan ko lang ito mga to. Pinuno ko yung timba ng tubig, tsaka ako binuhusan.
Look at my new toy.
Kapag ang isang tao inaway, may ginawa ka, ina ka, hindi ako nakikipag-away ng mali ako. Away ako pag tama ako. Ang ina ko nakakatigil sa... Kahit sa pasyon,
Guys, my new toy
It's
is so dumb, right? It's for babies or dogs. And I don't even have
Ayos mo na.
yung kahap.
Diba eh?
Magpakabuti ko.
Tali dito, tapos dito, tapos...
Hindi pwede yung sa
This
akin.
way.
Get the tali nga sa bag
Mababan
ko.
daw siya sa YouTube. Ito ata naman ako kay teacher. Lagi ang tapang puso.
Get the tali na. Sa bag ko. Yeah.
practicing Bible to make it fun at YouTube, and I'm doing this today.
Yung mga pinapagawa ko.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.